My name is David Kraft. I am a co-coordinator with the Kansas Grazing Lands Coalition, which is a not-for-profit group that started back in the 1990s. The group is largely made up or consisting of landowners and ranchers across the state of Kansas, with a focus of really bringing education and knowledge about the grasslands and the importance of grasslands in Kansas. Today we're out here in Kiowa County on a property largely known as the Sand Hills Ranch, where we are touring and seeing what has been done here in the past and maybe what the future goals are for this property. If you're interested in knowing more about the Kansas Grazing Lands Coalition, we would invite you to come to our website, kglc.org, to find out more information. Some of the things and the activities that we've got going on this summer would be grazing academies, targeting producers and ranchers across the state, and 3 different primary landscapes: the tall grass prairie, the mixed grass prairie, and the short grass prairie. We would love to have you join us for those academies. Those will be in August. For more information, go again to our website, kglc.org.